This is Herman again in another Just My Review. And as you guys remember, a few months ago I decided to install this film in my parking lights, but today finally I got it installed in my tail lights. Alright guys, finally, as you guys can see, I have it done. But the only reason I didn't show you guys how to install this is because it's not easy. And you know, I prefer to leave this to the professional guys. It's a ton of guys out there. You guys can watch their videos. And honestly, I watch a ton of videos before I do this. And as I still screw it up. And you know, right here I got some areas. I don't know if you guys can see it right there. It's not that much, but you know, right here you can feel it real nice. The finish right here, you can feel like you know, the plastic is I think it needs more heat in order to stretch it. But honestly, I get screwed up 3 of these guys, and I said enough is enough. If I keep doing this, I'm not gonna finish this, and basically I'm gonna put everything on the garbage. Honestly, I'm finished the job. You know, when you guys when you guys have this is basically the film, and you guys gotta remove that. Basically, that's where it's sticking to the glue that it goes towards the to the tail light. Now, in front of it, protecting basically the finish, is this plastic. This piece of plastic is on top basically of here, and basically when you use this basically the tool in order to flat this area and remove the bubbles, sometimes you create wrinkles, and that's where I get screwed up, because you know, I remove everything real nice and everything looks, you know, flat. But right here I thought those wrinkles were from that plastic, and when I remove it, well, I screwed up. And the same thing happened with those guys. I got the wrinkles right here and here, and when I removed the plastic, I noticed all that thing already messed up, and honestly I didn't like it. I removed it. I know I see some guys that, you know, they remove the thing and something is wrong. Because the problem I did it was I cut it before I removed the plastic protection right here, the cover. And as soon as I cut this, it's no way to fix this. As if you got wrinkles, that's it, you screwed up. Basically, I did different right here in this other one, because I removed this one, I did it in one shot. And basically the thing I did, I removed the protection and I used this type of tool. This squeegee is nice because it got some this is like this is some type of microfiber, and it's real soft. It's really good, but it's still believe it or not, using this this is so sensitive that, you know, I did a scratch just using this, and I don't even know how. Maybe my nail or something, I don't know, but maybe you guys can see it's light. Probably with wax or something like that, it's gonna be removed, I don't know. But I got a little scratch right here. Yeah, you guys can see it right there. I did that. It's not noticeable, but it's okay, I'm fine with it. You know, it looks nice, not perfect. You know, now honestly, this area right here is very easy. Now the hardest part in here is when you stretch this and you try to cover this area and the bottom, because the problem is right here is gonna get flat, but this thing is gonna start basically shrinking, and that's gonna be real bad. You gotta stretch it, and if you don't know how to do it, guys with experience know how to do it. At the end, basically was easy. This one, not kidding, I did this one in what, like maybe 4 minutes, 5 minutes, and the other one took me almost like an hour with all this waste I got in there. That's why I didn't show you guys how to do this. And this one I did it better. This one basically I used the line over here and I cut it basically all around outside, and I put the plastic inside, and this one got a little better finish than the other one. And for that I use this guy right here. This is a finish line. This is some kind of a like a it says right here some kind of a knife less tape, and the thing is you use this thing and you put it all around here, basically around that, and at the end you just pull the string and you pull that and you get a nice cut all around the tail light. You don't have to do anything. That's why the cut is so perfect. Unfortunately I screwed it up right there, but it's fine, you know. It's nothing like oh my god, everybody's gonna see it and it's gonna be crazy. For that, guys, well, you're gonna need a heat gun. Some guys use a torch, but if you're not good with the torch, watch it, because you can melt that thing in 2 seconds. Some guys, I hear a guy telling me that I use a lighter. Forget about it, not even think about it, because that thing is gonna take you forever. And if you guys using hair dryer, well, honestly, maybe it can work if it's real strong, but it's kind of hard. The best minimum tool to use for me is the heat gun. This one is like $17, $18 in Harbor Freight. You guys gonna need the knife, and you guys gonna need this set. I use this. I see a guy on YouTube. Basically I use it right here. Basically I put this at the end of the plastic and I stretch it while I'm putting some heat, and it works real good. Like I told you guys, I don't want to mess it up anybody out there, and you know, I prefer you guys go and watch this with another YouTubers, but I just want to show you guys how it looks like. Let me turn this light right here off, and let me light this thing up, and let's go and see how it looks like. Okay, as you guys can see, it doesn't look that dark. Basically, you guys can see. Let me turn the lights low off and you guys can see it. All right, let's see it. And basically it's working fine. All right, and guys, there you have it. It looks very nice. It's completely legal. As you guys see, it's a little bit dark, but it's really nice. I love it. I like it. And guys, stay tuned, because my next review, we're going to check how was the progress with the Putco light, and we're gonna check it out after basically a year of the replacement. Remember guys, if you guys watch my video of the installation of this guy on the Ridgeline, I have to replace this for the warranty. It was worth it or not, I'm gonna let you know in that review. And guys, well, that's how it looks like. Thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not subscribed, and share this video with another guys. Thank you very much. See you guys later in another Just My Review. Bye bye guys. God bless you all.